So I'm going to show you how to enable 5G on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. And then I'll also show you how to disable in case you don't need it. So go to settings. Under settings, on the left hand side, go ahead and select connections. And then under connections, go to mobile networks. And then here you'll see network mode. Now, if you have two SIM cards in a dual SIM setup, you'll have to choose which SIM card you want to deal with. Now, for me, since I only have one SIM card, it takes me straight to the mobile networks for my SIM card. And then I'll select network mode, and I have 5G enabled. So to disable 5G, select LTE preferred, and that's gonna only look for and connect to 4G networks. Now, if I want to enable 5G, I'll tap on this and then select 5G preferred. And whenever I'm in an area that has 5G, the tablet will connect to 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.